Hey, let's do a general walk around at the 22 Ocean Pro here at Tom and Jerry's Boat Center right now. This boat goes everywhere. I have a client who took this boat out tuna fishing 25 miles off the coast and is very happy with its performance. So the San Juans, the Gulf Islands, Lower Puget Sound, you want to run out to CQ from here in Mount Vernon, you can run out to CQ with this boat. Currently powered with a Yamaha 200 horsepower digital motor, instantaneous power, be able to read your stats in real time. So a lot of benefits to a DEC motor. Ask me more about it when you give us a call here at Tom and Jerry's about any of the 24 or 22 Ocean Pros that we have. Extended transom with swim step. We all want to be able to get back in the boat when we get done swimming. ET transom here gives you lots of room for your kicker as well as the big 200. Lastly, take a look at the rear transom here on our boats. Comes with zinc anodes to protect your motor and your hull. Transducer platform mounting, so we never drill holes in our ETs to mount our transducers. A cutting board. This is capable, you can do your cutting, etc. on your rear transom fish box. It has a cutting board top. Most importantly, you'll find a nice big container or insulated fish box. You can fill this full of ice and keep it as a cooler on a day trip with no fishing or crabbing. Or if you're out there adventuring, looking for some more foraging items that you've got your crab on one side and maybe your clams on the other. Fill it full of raw water from your raw water wash down that all of the 22 Ocean Pros and the 24 come with. Fill this full of fresh water. It'll keep your crabs alive and fresh for the day. Get them home and they'll be cooked up just like you just took them out of your crab pot. Both the 240, the 220, and also a 210 Sea Runner, both offshore style boats, do come with or can have rear steering stations. The models I have here right now all have rear steering stations. This is going to help you a lot during your day. If you want to be able to pull up on your crab pot from the side, reach over, boat hook it, and never have to run from the helm to the back, this is the answer for you. Also works great for netting fish, docking boats, and just generally having a good day and being able to stand out back and just drive your boat without being up in the cab. Okay, it's the little things that count in a boat, and this particular model and all models used with the bulkhead doors come with surf fittings so that you can maintain your hinges. Water and the salt air out there is pretty tough on all of us, including our boats. This will help maintain your boat for a long term. Obviously, Hewescraft's always thinking about this boat lasting for the rest of your fishing career and perhaps the next one down. Let's talk about seats. Seats are important out there on the water. You know, the ocean's never not bumpy. Some days it's flat, but most days we're going to be bouncing around. So Hewescraft in this 220 Ocean Pro has furnished us with an exceptional new seat. Comes with armrests, self-adjusting. All you do is go to the dial right here, turn in your weight, and the seat will adjust to your weight. So now that it's adjustable based on your weight, it's easy to dial in. You can change drivers and immediately know that you're going to be comfortable driving along with the new suspension seats from Hewescraft and available in the 22 Ocean Pro here at Tom and Jerry's Boat Center. Dashboards equipped with multiple rocker switches, a couple of empty ones for your accessories, your bilge, your wiper, your horn, navigation, courtesy lights, and of course we can figure out a live well for you and wire up the back transom fish box so that it'll keep your crab fresh and clean. Let's talk about motors. Yamaha is going to power this boat for us today. Yamaha Digital Binnacle. If you haven't gone digital yet, remember when you had a cassette player and then you got a CD-ROM player and how much better it was? Let's talk about digital versus analog motors. Digital motors have quick response, and because it's a digital platform, you can use the Yamaha display here to see all kinds of different information in real time about your motor. Temperature, gallons per hour, all the things that you'd like to know and have at your disposal available right here on the 6YC information panel for your Yamaha. Not to mention out back there, when it gets delivered to you, you'll have your choice of a number of different styles of motors that we can talk about. Yamaha builds and maintains some of the finest motors on the West Coast. Okay, up front here we've got a locker for your rod, chain, and your anchor. We're all going to need an anchor at some point in our day out there. Lunchtime, fishing time. Nice and room. It's got a built-in drain so your rope will always dry out, drain out. Up here also, if you ever take a wave in one of these Ocean Pros, you've got 150% volume on the scuppers here. So the water's going to run out half again faster than the Coast Guard would ask of manufacturer to provide. Extra safety from Hewescraft. Okay, and the entire package sits on a brand new 2021 Easy Loader trailer with LED lights. Go ahead, dunk it. It's not going to blow out. You can get them wet. See-through oil bath hubs. When we're taking your buyering buddies off to see what color your oil is, you can inspect it on a daily basis. So come on down and take a look at this boat. I got a gray one. We got a red one. We got a black one. And we got a white one. Your choice of colors. Ocean Pros are in stock.